Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can trade futures on Webull. Trading futures is useful for hedging, speculating, and gaining leverage on commodity or index movements. So, the first thing that you will have to do is log into your account, and once you've logged in, you will just have to search um for futures approval. So it should be on your menu, but it really depends on the layout that you have. So you do have to make sure that you have this enabled. And then once you go to futures approval, you will fill out the required risk questionnaires, and then you will just have to submit. And then of course, you do have to fund your account by depositing funds into your Webull account that can be used for futures trading. Futures require margin, so ensure sufficient balance. And then you will select a futures contract, search for the contract. Uh, yeah, anyway, you will search for either ES for S&P 500, CL for crude oil in the ticker search bar. And then you will just have to open the contract chart. And then you will click buy or sell, and then enter the quantity, and then choose order type, which is market, limit, stop, and then you will click confirm. And then you will use the positions tab to track gains or losses, and then set stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk. And lastly, you will just have to click sell or buy to close when ready, and then confirm, and then the trade will be finalized. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.